Hello all. Our project topic is fall detection for elderly people. As we all know, fall detection is a major challenge in public healthcare domain, especially for the elderly, as the decline of their physical fitness and timely reliable surveillance is necessary to mitigate the negative effects of falls. Every year, one third to one half of the population aged 65 and over experience falls. Statistics show that the majority of serious consequences are not the direct result of falling, but rather due to the delay in assistance and treatment. Therefore, there is a need for an automatic fall detection system in which a patient can summon help even if they are unconscious or unable to get up after the fall. So, a problem definition is to implement a system that instantly notifies the concerned person with the SMS when fall occurs, and also provide a panic button so that an emergency notification can be sent by pressing it. First and very important component is the sensor, which is MPU 6050, which we are using for uh, detection of the gravitational acceleration of the person he is doing certain activities. The next component is the microcontroller, which we are using is Atmega 328P, the programming of the device. Then the next component is the battery, which we are using to provide the power to our system. It is 3.3 volts and 1000 milliampere hour battery. Component is SIM 800L, which is the GSM module, which we are going to use to send the SMS to the concerned person when once the fall is detected. And the other components we used are the buzzers, the push button, and the LEDs. The push button is used for the uh, it is used as a panic button for emergency notification, and the LEDs and buzzers are used as indicators.
In our project, we are using microcontroller which is Arduino 328P, and we are connecting all devices to a microcontroller and it controls all devices. This is our main sensor MPU6050. It is connected to Atmega 328P using I2C protocol. Each of these LEDs are 1, 2, 3, 4. Each LED is indicating activity. First LED is indicating the steady activity. Second LED is indicating walking. Third is indicating running activity. And this fourth LED is used when fall is detected. Also, this buzzer will turn on when fall is detected, or it will turn on in panic situations. SIM800L is connected using SPI protocol. Here is the indication of SIM800L. This light beeps after every 3 seconds, which indicates see. Yeah, this indicates that SIM is connected. Battery supply, which is used to power up. Moving towards the implementation. This is serial monitor, and whenever we will move accelerometer, the readings will vary. When accelerometer reading goes towards zero, I mean move towards zero, it will predict fall is present or not. For this, we are using for activity tracking. We are using 40 samples. After 40 samples, reading is shown. That is activity is steady. Here it was shown. So after processing on 40 samples, we are calculating average deviation from gravitational value, and that value decides whether activity is steady, running, or walking. For fall detection, we are using 100 samples. These 100 samples will decide whether fall is present or not. To detect a fall, whenever the acceleration value goes towards zero, approximately towards zero, and after zero, within few samples, if acceleration value goes nearly above 56 meter per second square, or above that, then fall is detected, and then that is definitely fall. Whenever the panic button is pressed, emergency alert is sent. Okay, here I got a message. Let me show you that message. Emergency message for our panic situation. Yes. Also, whenever we will change the accelerometer readings, it will switch the light. I mean, this it will switch the action, whether activity is running, walking, or steady. I will demonstrate for fall. Okay, it was a false fall. It detected a false fall, that this fall was not correct. Fall is detected, and emergency message, again sending emergency message. Just look at this. Emergency message sent. Let me check on my device whether it is sent or not. Fall or panic situation.
Thank you for watching.